Really glad to be here today to better connect with women in industry and engineering with mHUB, who's on the edge of tech, manufacturing, and women in manufacturing leadership.
I've been in recruitment for about 12 years now, always in manufacturing. And this is probably one of the few events that I've been to that's dominated by women. So really excited to see the strides that women have been making over the last decade or so and will continue to make moving forward.
I'm here because I've seen that we're going to be discussing artificial intelligence and robotics, which is my area. So I'm here to learn, I'm here to network, and I'm here to just enjoy it.
I am a recent graduate, and so hearing from basically anyone in this industry who has been successful, I'm just excited to learn as I'm embarking on my career.